Hi everyone, in front of me is LG Q6 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and right now we have to focus on this option bar and enter the settings which are in the left corner. And as you can see on the second position, we've got video resolution, so simply tap on it, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. We've got FHD and 2 different HD options. They are different because they've got totally different ratios. So the first one has got 18:9 ratio and the second has got 16:9. So obviously it will affect the look, the shape of the camera. So right now we've got FHD option applied, and if you'd like to set totally another one, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So let me pick HD for example, and as you can see, it is immediately activated and applied. So it means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your LG Q6. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.